What's going on MySpace?
I don't have MySpace.
What's going on MySpace? It's a video. Oh, bang it, it's a video. I got it. Ow, I keep hugging. Photo. Welcome to our house.
Where you going at, fucking dude?
Don't know really what's happening here. All I know is I'm hiccuping. You guys got a specialty room set up for you. You have a room for you. I set up a room for you. You're my favorites. The back left room has been yours the whole time. Great, it's a small bed.
That was nice of you. We're good though. We have a bed downstairs. Do you want it?
No, they are not going to sleep on this couch.
We have a. Where do you want to put that bed? In the other room?
It's going on Facebook.
Okay. What you doing? Video? Is that what you're doing? Troy,
Yep.
Do you want the air?
This is our new house here.
Troy.
I'm sorry, I fell over, and I'm taking a tour. Here are people in our kitchen. Hello, everybody. I like it. My feet are sticky. Someone's in this room over here. Hold on, I'm coming to get him. I found somebody.
What?
But we have to whisper.
Huh?
Look how sensitive he is.
Your camera not working? Or?
He's just so beautiful, isn't he? It's so beautiful.
Troy's hammering. Can't even get his camera to work.
I got my... Here's the joke. I got my camera to work.
Troy's hammering. Can't even
I'm taking a video.
You can zoom in on my ass.
Gross, yeah. I know. That was gross. Ooh, let's get deep in. Yeah,
I got my hair cut. A couple weeks ago.
that's a good story. People are cussing, and I don't know why. No one knew that? Oh, shush me. Are you really going to give him my shams? Those are my shams. Wendy. Hey, Wendy. Those are our shams.
I know. People
What is
sleep
this?
on shams.
What? Oh, there's spooge on them.
You did what?
Oh, there's spooge. There's so much shit in the bathroom.
No, Travis washing his hand in the kitchen thinking yours dripping all over. That's gross. There you go.
This is weird. Just a whole bunch of weirdness is going on all night long. I don't post this because I don't give a fuck. And I have a hiccup. I have a green bathroom.
Baby. Look at me.
Look at me.
I'm like, you should turn your head. Looks like you have a bruise there.
Good night. Good night, Shauna. Come on. I tried to be a bigger man. Don't be mad at me. I don't snore. Come on, Sean.
I don't think
Good luck.
Okay.
This is gonna be really funny.
Okay.
Whoa! Sorry, no overshot.
Thanks, Kelsey. I tried.
My grandma made that blanket by hand.
What? Am I in your bed?
You know? I was just gonna go lay down.
This is my leopard blanket.
I know you love it.
I do!
I know. Oh, no more damage.
You're so nice. I could use someone like you.
No, quit with the picture taking.
I'm not taking pictures.
Let's do some shots.
Taking video.
Yes, let's do some shots. Kelsey, I'm perfectly fine. Go to bed with Bernie.
Hi. He's already sleeping, honey.
Or Board. What's your name? It's a girl's name. LaFonda.
LaFonda.
Choose the
Who's this little pimp I hear over here?
You gotta be kidding me. Your house party is going to bed before anybody else in the fucking metro.
I don't know.
Come on.
They've
I
been
know you
drinking
guys.
for a while.
Times it down.
They've been drinking for a while. Oh.
You guys have been drinking for a while.
I'm really drunk, so take care of me tonight. I just gotta do what I gotta do.
Sure, give me a picture.
It ain't about a picture, it's a video. It's a video. I wanna see a dance move.